Dalwayne, the original one. Man on a mission, yeah. Hey, tell me I want you where them can't trick. Real old rebel, you know see a lion artist me. They on a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not forfeit. Them know a fire we spit. When we hear we no miss. Revolution is stepping it, me tell you no this. On a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not. Them no man ready, hey we. Brave and willing, burn the fire upon the wicked. No, them never get me timid. Bird sound over, hey, circle pan a rhythm. DJ singing just the message I'm on bringing. Never get me slayed, could do cheat and light no puppet. Have I panda string the swinging. Fry no fi money, no we not go to fi riches. While I'm living, thanks I'm giving. Keep on fighting, hey. Tell me I want you where them can't trick. Real old rebel, you know see a lion artist me. They on a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not forfeit. Them know what fire we spit. When we no miss. Revolution is stepping it, me tell you no this. They on a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not. We tell them say we there for your cause we burn. Babylon rules and laws. Keep the fire burning, don't take no pass. Them system is a fraud. Drop the rhythm, press record. Step so hard, out and getting the message across. We now say load, pick up no chat. Them know say from them see me, I no come begin no laugh. Burn the wicked, vampire get the spirit and them heart. Can't get me timid, but I feel the pagan lurking in the dark. On the battlefield without fear, still the air when the smoke clear. Oh, one youth where them can't trick. Real old rebel, you know see a lion not this soul. On a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not. Tell me I want you where them can't trick. Real old rebel, you know see a lion not this me. They on a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not forfeit. Them know what fire we spit. When we hear we no miss. Stepping it, we tell you no this. They on a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not. Vice after viceless, defender to defenseless. Gotta be the strong for the weak now. No, accept defeat now. Ready mentally standing firm and with feet. Jah give I the strength I need. Yeah, all the strength I need to carry on. On this journey of life, you gotta be rough, you gotta be strong. And I tell me I'm a new where them can't trick. Real old rebel, you know see a lion not this soul. On a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not. Tell me I'm a new where them can't trick. Real old rebel, you know see a lion not this soul. On a mission and we not forfeit. On a mission and we not. Blessed love. Blessed love. Once more, I and I goes by the name of Dalwayne. Yeah, we're bringing some vibes and we're bringing some energy. Now this one is reaching out, you know what I mean, to all real and true friends. You know we need someone special in our corner, right? At times. Hey, my friend, real and true to the very end. Yeah, me a tried it from way back when. Keep it real, never pretend. I know my friend, real and true to the very end. Yeah, me a tried it from way back when. Keep it real, never pretend. So me sing that one for my friend, real and true. the rice and me I bring a butter bread. Yeah, my friend, don't fi keep it real. And know my friend, feel untrue to the very end. Yeah, we are chatting from way back when. Keep it real, never pretend. I know my friend, feel untrue to the very end. Yeah, we are chatting from way back when. Keep it real, never pretend. Blessing, you know what I mean? Yeah, Dalwayne. Now this one is reaching out to our clean-hearted people, you know? Yeah, reaching out. We say life over that, we say good over evil, and we say love at all times, you know what I mean? Reaching out to our clean-hearted people once more. I goes by the name Dalwayne. Ready now, ready now. Me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. Wanna sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. No me heart clean. Me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. Wanna sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. Then alright. True me not go on like me more than people. Humanity over house and vehicle. Yeah. Clean-hearted, no study, no evil. Real every time me right through the season. And ain't no matter where you come from. Me love the people, they mark a little bit and river and dump plan. Homeless people forget, some of them munch pan. All when me live up in a scheme, me know me don't clean, me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. Wanna sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. No me heart clean. Me not fi think twice. Cause Jah show a blessing when we live life. Wanna sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. Then alright, show heart clean like the water from the spring. Bunch of one ya from me heartstring. Jah say fi sing, say me fi sing, say me fi sing. Watch ya know, people love the vibes that me ya bring. Have the fire upon the pagan criticizing. No try to stop nobody when you see them rising. Now say you a rise and pray fi see you don't fall. Cause we no carry dirty, ya know not at all. No me heart clean, me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. Wanna sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. No me heart clean, me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. Wanna sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. True heart clean like the water from the spring. Punch a one ya from me heartstring. Cha-cha, say fi sing, say me fi sing, continue sing. Watch ya know, people love the vibes that me ya bring. Turn up the fire upon the pagan criticizing. No try to stop nobody when you see them rising. Now see you a rise and prophecy you don't fall. We no carry dirty, ya know not ya. Me say me know me heart clean, me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. No sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. No me heart clean, me not fi think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. No sing, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. Now I need the support on this one, you know what I mean? All my clean-hearted people. Can you sing this verse for me? But you know, sing, me know say me heart clean. Sing it out, me know say me heart clean. Say me know say me heart clean. Say me know say me heart clean. Yes, me know say me heart clean. Ready know me say me know me heart show a blessing when we live life. You see, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. No me heart clean. Me not fit think twice. Jah show a blessing when we live life. You see, me know say me heart clean. No me heart clean. No say 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 me heart clean. Blessing, you know what I mean? Yeah. Now can I bring some vibes and bring some energy right now at this moment? That way the original one representing to the fullest. Ready now? Boom. Hey, make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Hey, me tell you, say me need me split. Be some tall. Then like illegal of everything this. Go me from us, me get the best, say me not. Hey, make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Hey, me tell you, say me need me split. Be some tall. Then like illegal of everything this. Go me from us, me get the best. Alright, me bun me herb, me smoke me herb, me bun me herb non-stop. When me a smoke me herb, for meditation, no me can't fight have a chat. Me put the weed together, they blame the grab off, fight like dog and cat. Right now I bed me a pray, well man sleep, that mean eyes one lock. Titos and me another one blaze up, another one call me a damn pilot. Cause the way me feel high, the way me feel nice. When the low start clap, get so weak in my days, me can't even walk, me a cry like a poison rat. Me and my friend, them a chill, this one me a one boy now. Smoking, I want to earn me shout all load, cause me a one boy now shop. Long time me marijuana, long time me a tie knot. Take out me phone at school and search with the weed man contact. Right now, I'm just don't finish it first. Watch out, but make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Let me tell you, say me need me split. Be some plan. They like illegal if you think this. Go me from West, me get the best, say me not. They make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Let me tell you, say me need me split. Be some plan. They like illegal if you think this. Go me from West, me get the best. Come and go. Me bun me herb, me smoke me herb, me bun me herb in a business. But it not the sky, I make it circle across West Indies. Kicking a me like a football match. Big league on a scrimmage. Even when they got me so like a big chick. Yeah, me got me still a rap it like my baby on the big list. That make me head that swing like I do upon inches. If me try to make this step, yeah man be drifting. Don't tell me about no season split. Season me move like a kitchen. Drop that one down loud and clear, tell me are you listening? Just ain't no pick your school, no people in the system like the lawyers, but managers, that's where deal with switches. Hey, see me here, me got it. Woman, make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Let me tell you, say me need me split. Be some tall. They like illegal if you think this. Go in from West, me get the best, say me not. Hey, make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Let me tell you, say me need me split. Be some tall. They like illegal if you think this. Go in from West, me get the best. Party, well up me sleep for the tallest thing. I got brushing on my head, I kick like a rat, I move like Chinese slip. Marijuana got me grooving, with the one that's skanking. Me don't push away, tell them put that in the bin. I get me run and light up before me sing. Drop the rhythm, catch and put in my head, that make it on sting. Let me go away from my planting, who help me stop to leave my thing. I get up in my head like a reason sting. One more time, I make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it, right on the clock. Let me tell you, say me need me slip, be some tall. They like illegal if you think this. Go in from West, me get the best, say me not. They make me tell them how me deal with it. How me deal with it. Right on the clock. Let me tell you, say me need me split. Be some tall. They like illegal if you think this. Go in from West, me get the best. Go in from West. Blessing, you know what I mean? Now this one is titled Ready, you know what I mean? This one is all about being firm, you know what I mean? Being strong, believing in yourself. Yeah, we say life over that, we say good over evil. The original one. Tell them I'm ready, man, ready, man, ready. We shake up the place just like jelly tree. Tell them we calm and we steady. Hey, we need them no weep and Shelly. I wanna name. Ready for them, oh me ready for them. Watch ya, yeah me a hold some ready for them. Yeah me turn up the fire for me enemy them. Me say them a penny me then because them no one we have the money fi spend fi have money fi give away and money fi lend. Then Mr. Camille, the Craig and me friend. Plus another mill me now left out my tell car ready man ready. We shake up the place just like jelly tree. Tell them we calm and we steady. Hey, me knees them no weak palms no sweaty. They don't know we have all so many. Different day out of many. Then alright, they be like me and send it. So me just light up a bigger than wash a one no. Cause we a move like a runaway train. Them fi know say this style them wild and can't tame man. Them fi know say ya one Dalwayne. But no fright no fi hype me, no fright no fi fame. But no tell them say we ain't mad the same man. We wild on the road ya so can't tame man. Yeah man this style them dirty and stain. Load up a country high grade. Tell them say ready man ready. We shake up the place just like jelly tree. Tell them we calm and we steady. Hey, me knees them no weak palms no sweaty. They don't know we have all so many. Different take out of many. Then alright, they be like ready me and send it. So me just light up a bigger than. One more time, ready for them, oh me ready for them. Watch ya, yeah me a hold some ready for them. Yeah me turn up the fire for me enemy them. Me say them a penny me dead because them know why we have the money we spend. We have money we give away and money we lend. Then Mr. Camille, the Craig and me friend. Plus another mill me now left out my tell car ready man ready. We shake up the place just like jelly tree. Tell them we calm and we steady. Hey, me knees them no weak palms no sweaty. They don't know we have all so many. Different day out of many. Then alright, they be like ready me and send it. So me just light up a bigger than Shelly. Blessed love. Now I'm going to introduce my brother Rik Jam on stage, you know what I mean, to bring some fire. It's been a pleasure performing for you all. Rik Jam. Yeah.
Give thanks to Dalwayne, you know it go. Vibes. Now virtual life. Now this one. Come to give you some straight positivity straight out of Kingston Jamaica. See? Original and free, yeah. Rock with me, see? I said must start from a 1, 1, 2, 3. The step of me and step everybody and figure see. Cause Rik jamming at the place I don't know you and figure pre on the TV screen. If you know what I mean, cause adult and pick me. Them well want to see young youth like me come and rock this city. The lyrics just a kill them similar like Shati. Me learn from the best original chronics the G. The highest meditation me get it from the trees. Original sensimania, give it to me please. Big up all my friends, them keep the men's clean. Someone go vex when them see Rik Jam stepping on the scene. Big up Jackie and she and the real mommy. Big up Marcus, him and the real daddy. Me know it hard, but me have to aim for me dreams. Me know it hard, but me have to aim for me dreams. Eh? It is so easy. Life is so amazing. Life is so amazing. Don't you ever waste it. Yeah. It is so easy. Life is so amazing. Yeah. Life is so amazing. Don't you ever. We can't talk to breathing. Ashes. You know say you like this with the flow like this. We are touching on the place and performing a yo. Sweet me and my band, now perform, not do it. Give them it full and not give them no snippet. Look how my talent I shine and glisten. Just like the clock where someone go prison. Open your eyes, get a youth and listen to the LOR been there before I forgive her. Word to the wise, season a second. Give thanks for life and count up your blessing. I say, humble yourself and good things will affect you. Just do the right thing and the world will respect you. Just do the right thing despite all your struggle. Do the right thing and forget all your trouble. Me say do the right thing and the Lord will forgive you. Just do the right thing and just count up your blessing, cause it's easy. Life is so amazing. Life is so amazing. Don't you ever waste it. You ponder life, it is so easy. Life is so amazing. Life is so amazing. Don't you ever waste it. Yes, it is so easy. Life is so amazing. Life is so amazing. Don't you ever waste it. If you believe it is so easy. Life is so amazing. Life is so amazing. Hear me say, why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? Lord, it is so precious. Why you won't waste it? Lord, why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Don't you dare waste it. It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? Say why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Don't you dare waste it. It is so precious. Why you won't waste? Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. Why you won't waste it? It is so precious. But don't you dare waste it. It is so precious. Why you won't waste? Yes, massive. I go by the name of Rik Jam. See, everything that I've been singing to you today is straight from my heart, straight from the depths. I love to share it with you guys right now. So now this one is called Love Never Lost. Saying, I believe that love is a theme, right? Check this, yeah. And I say love never lost its way. I think it's here to stay. So try stay out of Babylon away, because Jaja give you the choice we make. And I say love never lost its way. I know it's here to stay. So try stay out of bad mind way, because Jaja give you the choice we make. Hey, life is the best ever made. So be careful of the choice that you make, and be careful of the risk that you take. Cause when Jaja make him never make mistake, no. So from we born we never perfect. And in the garden of Eden we have to watch the serpent. So we have to count every single step we take, because in the real world it's a dangerous step. I say love never lost its way. I think it's here to stay. So try and stay out of Babylon away, because Jaja give you the choice we make, yes. And I say love never lost its way. I know it's here to stay. So try and stay out of bad mind way, because Jaja give you the choice we make. Hear me now, say I was stating, thinking of the basics. Though we just a grow understanding statistics. Watch we make it from poverty to payslip. Them don't want to see the hit songs on the playlist. Say watch the corner, them behaving like farmer. Just look how I go reach them, cause it's all up to karma. So just take it, it's yours if you make it. Live life to the fullest and don't waste it. And I said love never lost its way. I think it's here to stay. So try stay out of Babylon away, because Jaja give you the choice we make, yes. And I say love never lost its way. I know it's here to stay. So try stay out of bad mind way, because Jaja give you the choice we make, yeah. So I see what you're feeling. vibes, right? You loving the vibes? On the live, everybody. If you love this music, say yeah, oh. Say yeah, oh. Say yeah, oh. Alright, catch this. Hey, say in life, no matter how the world said, just keep a smile on your face and overcome the first step. Just give thanks for life and live with no regrets. Because I only one chance I get for make yourself a chase down your dreams. Make them come true, no make nobody bring you down. Motivation are your root. Get up and stand up, wise up, put on your boot. Shine light is shining and it's shining through you. Make I tell you I said love never lost its way. I think it's here to stay. So try stay out of Babylon away. Because I just give you the chance for me. So love never lost its way. I know it's here to stay. So try stay out of bad mind way. Because I just give you the chance for me. Yeah. Whoa, hey. Love never lost its way. Oh no, 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 no. Oh. Take it away nicely. I make I tell you people I say love never lost its way. I think it's here to stay. So try and stay out of Babylon away. Because Jaja give you the choice with me. Yeah. So love never lost its way. I know it's here to stay. So try and stay out of bad my way. Because Jaja give you the choice with me. It's I. Give thanks, you know. As I said before, everything that has been shared to you now is from my heart. You know? So right now we're going to this one. It's called Hail the King. We believe that there's someone superior above us, right? He's the one that's protecting us to this very day. I give thanks when we wake up every morning. But check this. I'll be giving thanks for everything because it helped me sign the vision. Hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. The road it might be rough, you know we'll never sink. Bendita es el hombre, I'll forever win. Grateful for the blessings and we're in my cup. It's the only way I know to stay conscious. Almighty beg you guide me through this reality. Steady upon the battlefield, I war with all these enemies. Glad to overcome the circumstances where did in my part. But the devil can't choke off with all him vanity. Try you are my shield in a world with such catastrophe. See a conscious youth and still I bring the positivity. Teaching all the lost ones to discover their awakening. Now go sin a break light when the other get them fly up in full gas. I'll be giving thanks for everything because it helped me sight the vision. Hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. The road it might be rough, you know we'll never sink. Bendita es el hombre, I'll forever win. Grateful for the blessings and we're in my cup. It's the only way I know to stay conscious. Longing for that peace of mind, trying to stay in line. Reminiscing on the times when I never had that time. The Lord done make me know it's only for a time. So me never worry when I come to write these lines. It's my decision to conquer all my demons. Hungry for a better life and firm in the Gideon. Treading till a voice come to my final destination. Until then I still I give it all my dedication. Yeah. You have to give thanks everywhere you walk. Say yeah. You have to give thanks everywhere you walk. And still I will be giving thanks for everything because it helped me sign the vision. Hail the King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold. The road it might be rough, you know we'll never sink. Bendita es el hombre, I'll forever win. Grateful for the blessings
sing. Bendita es el hombre, I'll forever win. So grateful for the blessings, them way in up my core.
One more time. Bendita es el hombre means blessed is the man in Spanish, just for those who don't know. Okay?
Cause I am inside the vision, El King. He will never give you where you can't control. The journey might be long, the story gonna unfold.
The road it might be rough, you know what I mean? But still have to give thanks on the journey, eh? Now this one, I love to share this one with you. Because there's been a lot of things going on in my life, and this is the way I would really love to share it. This is the way I can express it. You know what I mean? Give thanks to everyone that's on the live for virtual live concert scene. Lots of love.
Yeah. I have words that can't be spoken. I got things that I've been holding onto. Emotions that are overwhelming. Feels like I am deeply sunken while we're living in this world of sin. With people trying to live for a reason. It's so funny, by a blink of an eye you'll never know when it's goodbye. Each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray, man, I lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Yeah, each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray, man, I lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. My heart been a weep. Life is a cycle, it's hard in the streets. Still I forget up and try walk left the peace. Follow that bread and then your mates get defeat. Me no know what to believe. And everybody wish the best for your dreams. Motivate myself, I'm in the way by any means. Wisdom come with age and the mantra for me. So many tears on my eyes, scraping to find all the answers to life. I'm a little brother me think about every night. Cause me not sure if him really alright. And that made me forced to believe if the system have him or him even living. Me not sure cause about 10 years since me see him. These things adding to the pain when me feel. Cause each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Yeah, each and every day, yeah, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. Jaja, hear my prayer. Keep my passion blazing up, make that simmer. Keep my loved ones close, they deserve their flowers. Come to realize that what I got power stronger than the towers. Life is a strange thing, plus it is amazing. Have to replace all the sadness with great things. Despite of the phases that life have me facing, I have to practice the things I've been saying. Hey, we all destined for greatness. The past have me shaping my future for rare things like realness that easily underestimated, and principles were taught from when I was a baby. The older I get, it's the more I be pressing myself to do better. Sometimes I feel stagnant as hell. God, hear my voice, I still feel like a mess. Hope you hear me trying to manifest, cause each and every day, when I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Cause each and every day, yeah, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. Each and every day, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day. Yeah, each and every day, yeah, man, I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. Life is a phase, everybody party. I have words that can't be spoken. I got things that I've been holding on to. Emotions that are overwhelming. Feels like I am deeply sunken while we're living in this world of sin. With people trying to live for a reason. It's so funny, by a blink of an eye you'll never know when it's goodbye. Each and every day, when I forget up and pray. Pray me not lose my way. You never know when it is your day.
each and every day. When I get up and pray, me not lose my way. Life is a face, everybody party. Yeah, give thanks, you know. Yeah, so this one, we're gonna leave it with this one scene. This one is called Ready for Them. Yeah, it's been a joy just to see him to perform for you guys, you know what I mean? Fun alive, stay in the garden, hey, watch this. And I said, ready for them to roll into your city. Me need a space in the reggae community. Cause me have the style and me have versatility. And in the way they show them and then we are gonna shell it. Just give me the beat and a mic, but my dress it if I even a cappella. When I slot it like a Messi. Cause me have the style, versatility. Just give me the beat. Watch this. Come from a place where them can't play Transland. 46 my claim big catches, but where my tried from. And I say big up Mama Aina and the family well large. I'm a granny when you met her, she a real strong woman. At 13 operation, she do cause a cancer. And she still a try this her just like a real strong woman. Oh mama, that never get the chance to see me reach far. So every song I write, I'm doing it just for our cause. Now go make this talent go to waste. Do my own thing, I say man now watch no face. Just a count up the days, embracing the rough ways. I feel all the pain, but me still I make you know. Send me ready for them to roll into your city. Me need a space in the reggae community. Cause me have the style, versatility. And anyway they show them and then we have got shell it. If you give me the beat and I might make my chest it. If I even a cappella man I slot it like a Messi. Cause me have the style, versatility. Just give me the beat and give me a mic and make me set it with the youths them. Inna the streets where you hustle feed the food, figure feed them children. But mine I show them true self. Third eye open, make them know say you are breed them. It a shotting all I know I can't see them. Holy Jack can judge me from the crown of my head, shit down to the sole of my feet. Man I know man not the realest. Put a smile from my face because I'm being blessed. You wanna know why? Try to stop your fun when them see you and wanna vibe. But Jaja I'm a guide and him protect every time. So no matter how them try, they will never see me grind. Me need this dollar sign, but me know what's so time. Cause me ready for them to roll into your city. Me need a space in the reggae community. Cause me have the style, versatility. And anyway they show them and then we are gonna shell it. Just give me the beat and I might make my dress it. If I even a cappella man I start it like a Messi. Cause me have the style and me have a versatility. Just give me the beat. So big up Solar Feel and big up Stadium and Gardens. Give thanks to the lessons I'm learning and the past tense. Bless up to my brethren, them we're rolling from afar. Yet we have different dreams, but we still have to go harder. Cause we have to make it with our family regardless of the sticky situations in our part. So we have to take a step as so we make the mark. Then we roll up on the streets, make a bigger impact. Because me ready for them and so roll into your city. Say, we need a space in the reggae community. Cause me have the style, versatility. And when they show them and then we are gonna shell it. Give me the beat and I might put my dress it. If I even a cappella man I slot it like a Messi. Cause man have the style, versatility. Take it down. Yes, massive. It's been a joy to perform for your scene. You know, I go by the name of Rik Jam. Once again, you can search me on all social media platforms, all streaming platforms. You know what I mean? It's just 6 letters, and I want to spell it for you in a real unique style. So, are we ready? Are we ready? Check this. It goes R-I-K-J-A-M. One more time. R-I-K-J-A-M. Your turn. One more time for clarification. Yeah, man, give thanks, you know what I mean? So we say give thanks to everyone that turned out. See CTP Productions, you know what I mean? Everybody on the live, whoever performed, you know what I mean? Yeah. So right now, more before I leave, I want to give you a freestyle. You want to hear a freestyle? Alright, check it. Wow. My name is Rik Jam and I am just a skinny man, grew up in a diggity and yeah, me have a aim and yeah, me know the journey will be long. Yes, I'm a city man, finalize the decision to make it in the life, we try for rights. I want the biggest song, beat with precision, procrastination. So no make them know some music is my destination. No make nobody make you lose your motivation. Move from yourself with all your accusation. Check this, I'm destined for greatness. So when you see me, you see no stress. Who want to make it up and make my family happy. Hopes and dreams, but no one nobody stopping me. I tell you, say I'm destined for greatness. So when you see me, you see no stress. Who want to make it up and make my family happy. Hopes and dreams, me I go back to the chorus, what you say. Ready for them, so road into your city, say. We need a space in the reggae community, cause man up the style, versatility, and anywhere to show them that we are gonna shell it. If you give man the beat and the mic, man dress it if I even a cappella, man I slot it like a messy, cause man up the style, versatility, say. Give thanks and praise, you know what I mean? Heart of love every time.
Some nice job braids.
Yeah. Everybody doing? Yeah, let me first say happy birthday to Adrian. Yeah, okay. Yeah. All right, so I go by the name Jabraids. I'll be doing a song called Searching. Scene? All right, enjoy.
Searching to find a way out. What can I do? Where will I turn to now? Yes, I've been searching to find a way out. What can I do? Where will I turn to now? Every day the children cry, we can see it in their eyes. Still the poor man can't find money for a bag of rice. Yeah, open up your eyes. Just children must arise. For too long they have stripped us of our rights. Yeah, and me say, what is this? Peer scribes and Pharisees. Say, what is your philosophies? They rob us and they take away your histories.
scene. Thank you very much. You can find that song on all streaming platforms. That's JAHBRADEZ. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Rik and Dalwayne one more time. Yeah, so thank you, everybody. Yeah, so right now we have Rik and Dalwayne again. Yeah, man. Everybody that's streaming, that's watching, yeah, big up.
This one is titled, you know what I mean, Watch Your Friends. Wow, wow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Watch your company, you keep on the friends and where you're far with. I know you sit down in a carry. So watch your ends where you are sleep. Friends, you sit and smoke cigar with. Them a clap the bullet in a your forehead. Watch the company, you keep on the friends and where you're far with. I know you sit down in a carry. So watch the ends where you are sleep. Friends, you sit and smoke cigar with. Them a clap the bullet in a your forehead. Rik Jam me say, you take girl like brother. Bad mind them one another. Them used to roll together, shoot bird and look like banana. Them start proof about the rifle, them a carry on ya. Them ready to clap it up, they make it sing like Spanabana. Love no love it when them say you're stepping up the ladder. No, them no like it when you're making better life in mama. So me watch them and me pray them and me ride the song ya. If you not really fire burn, you better keep your eyes open. I'm in a smart talk and I don't beg no friend. No for them a born and them a eating. Always come around like you want them, my friend. No, oh, 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 oh. No, oh, 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 oh. You better keep your eyes open. Keep them. What you say, watch your company, you keep on the friends and when you're far with. I know you sit down in a car with. Say, watch your ends so you are sleep, friends. You sit and smoke cigar with. Them a clap the bullet in your party. Say, watch your company, you keep on the friends and when you're far with. I know you sit down in a car with. So watch your ends so you are sleep, friends. You sit and smoke cigar with. Them a clap the bullet in your forehead. And I said, check up on the ones and when you share your drinks with. And all the type of man, them when you share your split with. The type of friend we go behind your back and start up. At the same and them will take your life and then you start up. They will blast at your 9-9 and then them start ball. So you was a good youth and you should do partial. But you cannot sleep and him died overall. So every wicked works I forgot. But from your sister, them no really make them keep them distance. Yo, the thing them me reveal, yo, this ain't no fiction. Me say you to grow together from the smaller piece pants. No, they got them 6 months, lap it up and them no response. Me say friend, I kill them friend, but I know this one, hey. Listen, kill it to the words, I mean, not this song. Stabbing on your back in front of face, them up like Christian, so I feel what he say, I feel smart. Sit and reminisce about the road them when me walk. Not daylight smooth, road rugged and dark. Million miles and a half. Keep your eyes open. I'm in a small talk and I don't beg no friend. No for them a one and them a eating. Always come around like you want them no friend. No, oh, 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 oh. No, oh, 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 oh. Say, keep your eyes open. Keep them, yeah. Dalwayne, you have something for them, I swear. You have something for them, you want to talk to the ladies. You say you have something for ladies, yeah? Ready now. Now this one's reaching out, you know what I mean? To all real and clean people, you know what I mean? Okay. Ready now, ready now, ready now. Hey, don't you know life journey's a cycle, you keep on spinning now. And I say going round and round, no. What goes around comes back around, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this thing called life, yeah, be careful how you live it. Yes, I say never rejoice to see our next man don't fall. Then watch I know what you think to say and the things you do. Oh yeah, I know it's best. You keep it real and true. Me and Granny say today for me, tomorrow for you. So when you're digging grave your next man, I tell you dig too. Then careful how you spread the bed, remember John no sleep. But you so you that you repick, I'm not on a respect, he say. So we say can't tamper with it, cannot reach. Be careful the things you preach. One more time, don't you know life journey's a cycle, you keep on spinning, no. And I say going round and round, no. What goes around comes back around, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So this thing called life, be careful how you live it. Yes, I say never rejoice to see a next man don't fall. Rik Jam.
Give thanks that you know what I mean, a real brother and a real life.
Yes, I.
Yes, man. Can I say something? Cheddys. From 2018, me I do this thing ready fi come pull the strings in this industry. Me telling you, love the music is my therapy. No said the passion that I'm dwelling in, but still I'm not risk it. No 9 to 5 can't stop this. The music yeah authentic, but people rather praise the bull on them devices and disregard the positive message in them thoughts. Them no want to know the art, so them quickly write it up and me say, sadly that's the world we're currently living in. Running from reality, but stand up in a fantasy. Reggae never dead, but somehow we barely acknowledge it. Then we join the other countries, streaming every bit of it. Jamaica bless and highly favored, they no own image. Bigger heads for run the shilling, so the youth can't stop the killing. Who the cap fit, make them wear it. My people no make them scary, bro, the mental skill.
You know go.
No more, no.
So right now I want to say big respect in a Kenton for having us on this show tonight, and I mean
Regional.
and I want to say happy birthday to his queen. More life,
birthday.
more blessing, you know what I mean?
We can sing happy birthday.
So this one is reaching out.
We can sing happy birthday, Ricky. Let me sing it for you.
Sing it, sing it.
Happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday
To you.
Say happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to you. Say happy birthday to you.
I want them to sing a song for Clinton. I want them to sing a song for Clinton. This one is reaching out, you know what I mean?
Big up to the people and on the line.
Reaching out, my brother. Ready now. How we go? Say I've been watching you for so long, lady. Saying to myself that I got to make you mine. The things you do truly amaze me, pretty lady. Personality draws me wild. Beauty from the inside, outside. Rise up my life to see you smile. Love you for a lifetime. Lifeline, one of a kind. You're so divine, girl. Him could tell from the start something different about you, girl. One in a million, lady. So real and true. You're loving me deep, I'm loving you. And I will never make you sad or make you blue, girl. You are him queen, love the things you do. Me have me singing you and I inseparable, cause yes, he been watching you for so long, lady. Saying to himself that him got to make you mine. The things you do truly amaze him, pretty lady. Your personality drives him wild. Beauty from the inside, outside. Rise up his life to see you smile. Love you for a lifetime. Lifeline, man of a kind. It's like woman of a dream, me finally have you in reality. Him know you real, him know you pure, and everybody see. Uplift his spirit, you come for him energy. A woman with just quality. Oh, you are the best. You know come fi bring no stress. Different from the rest. All I see is happiness. Raise away the man interest. And loving you till death. Oh, you and I is only happiness. Cause Clinton watching you for so long, lady. Saying to himself that you got to make you mine. The things you do truly amaze him. Pretty lady. Your personality drives him wild. Beauty from the inside, outside. Rise up him life to see you smile. He love you for a lifetime. Lifeline, man of a kind. You're so divine, girl. Man. Reaching out to the birthday queen, and I mean big up yourself, Clinton, and I mean life over there, good over evil. Give thanks. Blessing.
Give thanks, you know.
Yeah, blessed love, blessed love.